Hey guys, so that was Bohinj, cable car up to the top of the mountain as you saw. Have a look. I'm going to try and, rather than catch a bus, I'm going to try and walk out to the lake, and then from there hopefully catch a boat back up to Bohinj itself. So have a look at the colours guys, have a look at this. Isn't that just beautiful? Sort of, you can see why there would be bears in these woods. I'm hoping to see one, but I know that I probably won't, I'm not that lucky, but yeah, just beautiful colours. I think it's probably only about maybe 10 minutes walk to the lake from here. It's all downhill, so save a few euro. Just enjoy the walk and enjoy the view. Geez, it's beautiful. Camp Zalatorog. Camp Zalatorog. I'll show you the sign, see if you guys can come up with your own pronunciation. Zalatorog. Have a look. Oh Jesus, I just got a glimpse of the lake guys. Have a look at this. I'll just show you the sign first, make your own translation of how to say it. Here it is, Camp Zalatorog. Jeez, this lake's beautiful. I'm going to go down to the lake's edge now through the campground. Show you guys. It's beautiful. See you in a minute. Hey, so it looks like I found the boat back 50 metres. Looks like this is where you go. Tourista Tingna, Ladja tourist boat, 50 metres. So we'll see what happens. Oh, I hope so. Don't know what the timetable is, but I guess we'll soon find out. This is where it comes to. Have a look at this. What a beautiful and idyllic setting. Look at that. Lake Bohinj, Slovenia. Here's the times. Right. What time are we now? What time? We 11:47. Just missed it. 12:50. Catch another one. That's alright. we'll see what we can do. I couldn't think of a better place to put the drone up. See ya. I'm aboard, guys. How are you?
Hello.
That's it, guys, back in Bohinj. Awesome trip. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
15 minutes.
Well worth the ride that was.
15 minutes.
So we're back in Bohinj now. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Things just don't get any better.